This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Bob Mader. Open house Tuesday, August 9th, 1 to 7 p.m. Incredible home in a quiet, established neighborhood in northwest Knoxville. Large screened back porch hideaway will probably be your favorite place to hang out as it looks over the large fenced backyard. Master bath has heated floors and lighted makeup mirror. Gray cat is friendly, orange cat, pet at your own risk. Hot tub conveys, orange cat is negotiable. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob Mader at 865-966-1111.